Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the Benefit Cosmetics brand new BADGal Bang waterproof volumizing mascara and the They're Real Extreme Precision eyeliner, which I'm super excited to try out for you guys and share with you guys what I think. We're going to start off with the waterproof version of Benefit's best-selling volumizing mascara, which I do have a video on. I will put in the description box down below, but it has the same 36-hour volume of wear. It has the custom brush, which reaches lashes root to tip. It's smudge-proof, and it has Pro Vitamin B5 known to fuel thickness, which I will show you in a little bit. But as you can see, the brush is almost the exact same as the original, the unwaterproof version, and the only difference is the packaging, which this one has like a vibrant reflective gunmetal look to it. But we're going to start the tutorial. I'm going to do something new. I obviously do not have lashes that are thick or long. They're actually short and thin and they droop down. So I brushed them down first for one side of my lashes, then I brushed it up on the other side, and I feel like that helps create a more thick look for my Asian lashes in particular. And as you can see, this is just so beautiful and I'm just so stunned. And this might be my favorite new mascara I've tried so far. And I just can't believe that even is showing that I have lashes. Like, it's so hard for me. That's why I wear false lashes. But with this mascara, I feel a little bit confident to wear without lashes, which is crazy to say. But super impressed. It retails for $27. You can get this at Ulta or on their website. You get 0.3 ounces of product, but I'm absolutely obsessed. It's definitely a new favorite of mine. But let's go ahead and move on to the They're Real Extreme Precision eyeliner, which is brand new, and I'm so excited because I haven't yet tried a Benefit eyeliner, and this one is an extra black. It has this beautiful red packaging, which is also amazing to me because it's not just perfectly round, so when you set it down it won't roll anywhere. There are two different colors to choose from. This one is extra black and there is also an extra brown, but this retails for $24. You get 0.01 ounces of product. You can get this at Sephora, Ulta, or on their website. And it is just so easy to use. As you can see, I like the cat eye look, so I usually start from the outer corner out, and then I also, since I have the monolid kind of look and Asian eyes, I just go from the middle and connect for that sharp point and then fill in everything else. But this is my cat eye with the They're Real Extreme Precision eyeliner. It is waterproof, it's smudge proof, long wearing liquid eyeliner with a specially designed tapered 0.1 millimeter brush tip for extreme precision. And at the end, as you can see, I do connect it all the way to the inner corner of my eye to the cat eye look, just to bring everything together. And I also will show you what it looks like with my false lashes to bring my whole look together. But I'm so impressed also with this product and them both together. I'm wearing the mascara, the waterproof mascara, and I'm using this precision eyeliner with this look, and you can use it under makeup, your eye makeup, or over it, and this is the end result, and I'm so impressed by both. I can't believe that I got to try this out. Thank you again to Benefit Cosmetics for sending me these products to try out. I'm so obsessed. Thank you again. And that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.